3 things that every healthy fridge needs. Number 1, tons of fresh vegetables and fruit. Let's face it, if it never goes bad, your body probably doesn't know what to do with it either. Number 2, lots of freshly cut veggies right at eye level, so you won't be reaching for those unhealthy snacks when you get the cravings coming on. And number 3, healthy fruit in season or healthy snacks like hummus and veggies. Make it easy for yourself to stay on track and be ready to go. Small fridge tweaks equals big health wins. If you like this, follow me.